Oh, oh shit. Got fire now, boy? I think I need to close your ass on up.
You don't think dude, it's on fire. Dude, like seriously. There's like
Oh, why
flames.
did I close it? Why am I so stupid?
Dude, there's like flames coming out.
Really?
Yeah, I can see it. I'm like, you know, it's like, you know how they look when it's like really hot? You can't really see it, but you can see through it. Look, oh shit. Dude, I was like, I heard it like go up past my ears because like you said, like, I was like, dude, like,
You see any magical flames now?
no, I don't. Like I looked over your head, it was on fire. Like, what is going?
Yeah, dude, it didn't like burn me at all or anything. And
I don't like that.
well, I tried to re-sight it in, so I don't know. Put out the fire.
Yeah, dude.
That was cool though.
Yeah, it's definitely awesome.
What's this? Right now.
Yeah.
There's nothing explosive in the fire yet. So.
No, you're good. Go ahead. Run, boy. You don't need to light this thing on fire. Oh, shit. Hey, you can shoot it. I'm not going to shoot you. I got your back.
You get that on video?
Yeah, that's on video.